Hi everyone! Today we're diving into one of JAFRA's most stunning lip innovation, the Color Passion Supreme Matte Lipstick. If you are a lipstick lover who can't resist bold, confident look, this is a must-known product. So get ready to discover why this luxurious matte formula is redefining what it means to wear color with comfort and confidence. The Color Passion Supreme Matte Lipstick is where intense color meets incredible comfort. It delivers a bold, velvety matte finish that glides on effortlessly, smooth, soft, and lightweight. Let me show you. What do we think? When you apply it, you'll notice how creamy it feels at first, then sets into a cushiony matte that does not dry or crack your lips. It's perfect balance of passion and comfort. And why you will love it. It has vibrant one-swipe color that lasts. It's also sophisticated matte look without sacrificing comfort. And because you want the lipstick to feel as good as it looks, right? Confident, bold, and beautiful. Let's take a look at what makes this Color Passion Supreme Matte Lipstick truly stand out. These are not just benefits, they're the reason why you will fall in love at first swipe. First, it has high coverage intense color. One swipe, it's auto takes, the pigment pays off, is rich, bold. It delivers instant strike color that stays in your lips. Supreme Matte Finish is another one. This isn't your typical dry matte formula that you might know. It's a modern, luxurious matte that looks smooth, velvety, and flawless, never flat or heavy. It's also smoother, creamier texture. The formula feels soft and cushiony, giving your lips a silky, even application that hugs every curve of your beautiful lips. It glides on effortlessly. You'll love how easily it is to apply. No patches, just seamlessly color that feels like it melts in your lips. Another good benefit is the 8-hour continuous hydration that provides to your lips. Yes, it is matte, but it keeps your lips hydrated and comfortable for up to 8 hours. Isn't that amazing? Now let's discover what makes this matte lipstick feel so divine. It's the perfect mix of science and beauty because of the key ingredients that it has. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that helps to maintain moisture in the skin, looking so soft and smooth. Who doesn't want that in their lips? And also it has sesame oil. It's an ingredient that nourishes and softens the skin. And the fragrance is a captivating scent that blends delicate flowers, juicy fruits, and an irresistible touch of sweetness. And now you can fall in love with color all over again and again and again in matte finish. As you can see, we have a shade for every mood, every look, and every personality. From timeless nudes to passionate reds and dairies berries, Color Passion Supreme Matte Lipstick lets you express yourself in full color. Find your signature shade, or better yet, more than one. Why can't you just stick to one when you could have them all, right? Try a new color that tells a story. Maybe you need that confident red for a date night, a soft nude for every day, or a bold berry to make a statement. With this lipstick, every color tells a story. So which one is yours? Now that you have experienced the world of Color Passion Supreme Matte, it's time to bring it to life. Try it yourself. Feel the comfort, see the color, and fall in love with the formula. See you soon.